Today we're going to make PVC parallettes for your home gym. I've recently gotten into gymnastic strength training and am really enjoying these rings, but I wanted to expand my exercise pool as it takes time to build up ring strength and I'd like some more variety. Parallettes are a staple for this kind of training. I've made them out of PVC before, and I have lots of random spare pipes just laying around from my bathroom remodel. I also like just making stuff out of PVC, like this bow. This is a fast build once you have all the materials, which I'll go over right now. The shape is very simple. You have what we can call the body, 2 legs, and 4 feet. This means you'll need 2 90s, 2 T's, and 4 caps for 1, so double it for the pair. Then you should find the measurements you need for these 7 pipe cuts per parallette. Now, I want to be very clear about this. This isn't the cheapest way to make parallettes, especially not for 1.5-inch PVC, which is what I'm using. I just have the pipe left over and like that grip size. If you want a cheaper version, you should make it out of wood, maybe some dowels. You'll notice instead of caps that I'm using couplings for the feet, because I am forced to keep the feet pretty narrow due to how much pipe I had left, and I wanted to give myself an easy way to expand them out if I needed to in the future, but you can definitely use caps. Once we have all of our fittings and lengths figured out, we can start cutting. Now, a jigsaw is not the best tool for this job, but I was being lazy and I wanted to get this done quickly. But it should show you that even sloppy cuts can get it done. That's how easy these are to assemble, but I recommend a sawzall or a handsaw. Or if you have your miter saw set up, have at it. For assembly and any PVC work, honestly, always dry fit to make sure things are looking the way they should be. You can use PVC glue if you want, but these are plenty stable from dry fit alone. I recommend leaving them unglued for at least a little while to make sure you like the lengths or the size you've cut the pipe down to. The pipe is the cheaper thing to replace. What you don't want is to render the fittings useless or be forced to use extra couplings should you need to adjust something. This was a quick and easy DIY project that will now open up my exercise pool for more gymnastic strength training, and it cleared out some leftover pipe. Win-win. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you make yourself a pair of parallettes and what else I should make out of PVC. And stay tuned to see that PVC bow in action again, as believe it or not, that was one take and I hit a bullseye, pretty much. I'm not so much bragging as I wanted to showcase that it can be accurate as a bow in case you were skeptical.
That's